This is not a promotion, guys. I just want to share with you that you don't need hundreds and thousands of listings. You need only a few dozens of listings, sell them over and over again, and get the real numbers. This is what the keyword optimization tool will gonna do for you, and this tool is absolutely free. Let me show you in a few minutes how you can do extremely powerful keywords. This is in this video. Hello and welcome back. This is second part of the previous video where we discover hot selling product, which was where is it? This one here, the glue, right? So now what we were gonna do, we will take this glue and we will put the keywords optimized keywords to separate ourselves again. If you haven't seen the previous video, please go back here. Here's the link up there. Click to that link. In the previous video, we found a very good product, how to optimize this particular product and separate ourselves from all other sellers, and how to list this product for double price. Okay, so that's what we are doing, and we stopped there. Let me go to my account. So this is what we did. We made a nice title, optimized title, that it's a 100% guarantee that you will gonna be selling. And so if you haven't seen, again, go back to video and watch that video how we did this. This was the titles optimization. Basically what you do is, now when we title, we have ready, okay, copy the title, and I use notes, okay, and paste in the notes the title. Okay, that's first thing. The main keywords. What's the main keywords? I will not gonna use the main keywords, because I will, bear with me, I will explain what the main keywords are and what the secondary keywords are and what the long tail keywords are. Those three types of keywords, those are very important. If you use those three types of keywords in a proper way, that's how we sell our listings more than 80%. So first, what I will do here is I will use instant first. Okay, let me go here. Instant shoe glue. I will try this one. Instant shoe glue. Now, let's say if I choose those main keywords, okay? Let's say I copy this and then I go to eBay. On eBay, I paste here instant shoe glue. Okay, instant shoe glue, to see if those keywords are good to use. And I said to you already that everything under 100 is very good to use. This could be perfect. Now the second thing is I have to be aware, if I'm using those keywords, that my glue is not appearing here. Okay, which is, in this case, it would be this glue here. It could be different glues, of course, but this glue is not appearing there. Okay, so let me check. 90, if I use those as the main keywords. And what I can see is the yellow one here, which is very nice, because this is what is my competitor's product. 20 bucks, very cool, very nice. Shoe fix glue, instant professional. Yes, that's where I'm targeting. And that's why I'm selling for double price, because I'm selling under those guys here. Okay, so let me go back. You see those red glues are not here, only the yellows here. There is one glue, but that's China. China doesn't care. I don't care about China at all. And yellow. Just checking out front page. There will not gonna be on a second page. It's only one page, should be here. Oh no, there is one more, 50 on the page, but doesn't matter. The second page, it doesn't matter for you. Okay, so first page, no glue, which means this is perfect keyword for me. Nice. Now I will gonna use, this is one of my keywords, instant shoe glue. Let me now another keyword, instant boot. Boot glue. What's going on with this one if I use those, because guys, I want to separate myself. First, I want to separate myself because that's how I run away from all competition. If I separate myself, differentiate, no competition. So that's the point. Okay, and it's just, let me see, instant boot glue. What's happening now? 41 results. again, you see the yellow, which is very nice, because I like that the yellow guys are here, because my price will be lower than their price, and that means I optimizing my listing with the perfect keyword. This is perfect. I like it very much. Instant boot glue. Now what else? Third, let me see. Boot fix, because I need to fix my boots. Okay, instant boot fix glue. What's gonna be now? A little bit long. 41, the same. Boot fix glue and yellows only here. Nice. I like that very much. So basically I got 3 keyword combinations here. Those are my main keywords. I will be playing around them. Those are main keywords. Okay. In my training, I suggest always to start with the 3. And again, I will not gonna go deeper in that part, but if you are on my $7.99 training, you know what I mean. So that's how you start with the 3 main keywords. When it starts selling for you, you can upgrade. What do you mean? What I mean by upgrade is you add more pictures, you add more stuff, because it starts selling for you. Okay? Why would you need to work on something which is not selling, right? So you put out there, testing out, hey, this sold? Cool, nice. How can I increase my sales? If I sold once, how can I sell 2 times? If you sold 2 times, how can you sell 4? Like doubling on your wins. That's another strategy what we are teaching in $7.99 training. Okay, those keywords, those I did them what in a 1 minute or something like 2 minutes, let's say. Easy, right? And very quick. You don't need any paid tool, you don't need none of those softwares. Just separate yourself and you will be very good on sales and very good on a search engine. And that's only how we start, right? This is how we start with the 3 keywords. Those are the basic keywords. What we do in our trainings, we teach how to make long tail keywords. When you do long tail keywords, for those who don't know what the long tail keyword is when you make the keyword longer. Let's say, just for example here, this would be long tail keyword. Oops, one too much. Now what it is, it's professional grade instant boot fix glue. That's the long tail keyword. And again, there is a little bit strategy what I have been developing during the years. That's basically how you start. You don't need to do very complicated stuff here. No, very simple things. You start with the 3, sell it, good. How can you upgrade? Do better, and always remember, work on your wins. If something is selling, sell it again. If something is not selling, leave it. Okay, that's my strategy. That's what we teach, and that's how it goes. In the real world, it works like this. You sell it with this, cool. Add 3 more. Okay, what it means, you are gonna be selling with those 6 keywords more. Even more rapidly, even more better, and that's not it. You don't need to stop there. Then you do what? Then you go here and make come on. Then you make 3 more. Now you got what? Now you got keywords. Of course, those are again long tail keywords, but you make them special. I'm not gonna do this in this video, but you got 9 keywords. And guess what will gonna happen? If you were selling with the 3 keywords only, and now you're expanding on your win, can you imagine, guys, what will gonna happen with your listings? That's how we are selling more than 80% of all our listed items. That's why we need only 40, 50 listed items, because most of them will gonna be sold. We are selling 20, 30, up to 40 items per day, just because we are optimizing our titles, we are optimizing our keywords, and we are optimizing our pictures. If I got those keywords, the next video I will show you how we do the pictures. And again, we separate ourselves with the pictures. It's all about differentiation. All right. So I hope it helps. Put in the comments what you think about this, and see you on the next video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe here. Bye-bye.